Tyler is awesome here, and well, remember that video on which camera show should be released on Shout Factory DVDs? Well, something like this has happened. Yeah, Shout Factory is streaming Kamen Rider on this website. Okay, look at this is Shout Factory, and I think this is I think probably yeah. Imagine there be like a Shout Factory. It might release. Who knows? Maybe Shout Factory release more. Maybe release more. Stream more camera shows on camera shows, and might even make some DVDs of certain shows. Who knows? We'll have to see. I'm Tyler is awesome. Some thumbs up. You know the drill. Peace.